Hi guys, thank you so much for being a part of our show. First of all, I would like you to introduce yourself. You have you.
My name is George Kizito, and yeah, I live in Qatar. I work at Vault Studio as a dance instructor.
Yeah, we said ladies first, but in the end, ladies second.
All right,
It's
let's
okay.
go.
Hi, my name is Yami. I'm 24. I'm from Mexico, and actually, I have already 5 months here in Qatar, working also like a dance instructor.
Great. It's such a pleasure to have you guys here today. So, as a professional dancer, both of you, probably you face a lot of rehearsals daily. So, how do you keep your shoes clean every day? What products do you use? Ladies first.
Actually, it's hard to say, but honestly, most of the time I wait until the last day of the month to clean my shoes because it takes a lot of time. So I need to say it's hard. So I try to just with a maybe just clean fast with some paper and that's it. But most of the time it's really hard have time to clean my shoes because it's hard. So yeah, I didn't clean. See, I need to say I didn't clean my shoes until the last day of the month. To be honest.
I do feel you very well. When I didn't have a cleaning product, I wasn't really cleaning my shoes as well. Or sometimes, frankly speaking, I use the washing machine to wash my shoes.
Yeah, me too. But even I think George one day he told me like it's not good. Put the shoes on the washing machine. So no, that's not a good idea.
George, what about you?
Personally, I'm a sneaker lover, so I really take care of my sneakers. I love them. I have a lot, and I use this product, Sneakerslover. It takes less time using it. When I use it, my shoe is really clean, and I don't take long time cleaning my shoe. So, and since cleanliness of my shoe or my smartness is part of my grooming as a professional dancer, so I need to, look clean. I need to step out when everyone looks at my shoe and they're like, okay, let's go. Even before I do anything, So this product, Sneakerslover, it's really working pretty well for me, and it doesn't take any time. It's super fast and super effective. So that's what I use.
We are very glad that Sneakerslover is helping you to overcome all the circumstances of long hours dancing.
Yeah.
What I was thinking about is that dance floor usually cause a lot of scratches or scuffs on your shoes.
Alright.
Did the cleaning product help you with this anyhow?
The Sneakerslover does everything for me. Like before, I did not. Before I got the Sneakerslover, I used to have the scuffs on my shoe and scratches and everything. But now it works like effectively. When I use it, I cannot see the scuffs anymore. My sneaker is clean and like it looks brand new again, like as if I've got it from the shop. So it's really working for me, and I really love it. So I don't see myself without using this Sneakerslover. It's my vibe. Yeah.
Amazing to hear your great feedback. What about
Yeah.
you?
I'm totally agree. I told you before it takes a lot of time to clean my shoes, but now after I have a Sneakerslover, now it's just easy. I can put it in the back and my backpack, and I just like okay, I make a scratch. I just take the Sneakerslover, click, 2 seconds, and halas, you didn't see. So it's amazing. It's really perfect now. It's great. Just have.
We are so happy, basically. I'm so happy to hear such a great feedback from both of you, honestly. The thing I was wondering, for dancers and generally for sneaker lovers who are not using any products at the moment, or probably who are looking for a good product,
Yeah.
what kind of recommendation you would give concerning Sneakerslover?
I mean, it's just like a advice. You need to always try to look clean and look good, because we are also dancers and artists, you know. So every time the way you look, it's very important. So most of the time, and actually, who doesn't love the appearance for a clean shoes, you know? So it's really nice have this product. Even I can tell you, this changed my life for sure. So
George, what about you?
Well, as Yami said, as I would recommend dancers out there, dancers who really want to stand out, because professionalism does not only stand in the studio or on the stage, but as you are, like, how do you look as a dancer, your grooming. So I really recommend them to get this product, the Sneakerslover. It doesn't take any time to use it. It is effective. It is light. You can carry it anywhere in your pocket, in your bag, and you know, and it's not so costly. So come on, why can't I get this product as a dancer? So every dancer needs the Sneakerslover for sure. It will save them a lot. So because dancers get tired, dance the whole day, and you don't have time to really clean your shoe. Or some of them who put it in the washing machine, I don't recommend that, because it's like, you know, I love
Yeah,
sneakers. So
I've been
anyone
through
who puts it in the cleaning machine, in the washing machine,
it's
it's enough for me. Yeah, but this is gonna save all your problems and your time, and also make you look good. So come on, I wanna look nice, so I recommend this product definitely.
Yeah, I do agree with you. Especially for dancers, it's very important because you always move, and your audience, I guess, keep an eye on your shoes most of the time.
yeah, of course.
Yeah.
I too totally agree. We need to keep our shoes clean as dancers, because it's part of our grooming, as you said. So since we're gonna do clean things, we're gonna do smart things. It's really important for you to come out clean. You know, before you do anything, someone will be like, okay, I expect nice stuff from this guy, even before they see you. So what comes out of you? Sometimes you need to, you know, you need to clean your surrounding before you bring out the best out of you. You know, so if I put on my clean shoes and I give you clean work, clean steps, you'll be like, okay, I feel him. So not only from the sneakers, but you just feel the whole of me, you know, not like, oh, the instructor was so good, the dance was so good, but his shoes was this and that, you know, it was not clean. So I totally agree that our shoes should be totally clean as dancers and tied, because our grooming is like number one. Before you do anything, your grooming is the number one point you need to take. Yeah.
Thank you so much for your feedback, guys. It was a real pleasure to have you here today, and I strongly believe that shoes are one of the most important parts of our body.
Thank you.
And it gives the first impression, I believe. Like, I always look at shoes when I meet someone. So
Me too.
Okay.
let's,
To be honest.
Yeah.
let's keep our shoes clean.
Yeah, let's.
Sure.
We
Are
Sneakers lovers. Ooh, let's go.